It is Monday, June 10th, 2013, and I'm going to take a video of starting up the motors and the generator and putting the generator under load. I'm up here in the cockpit, outside. See that they fire right up. Both motors running, both at idle. These are the new bilge blowers that were put in. And this is the generator. There's an AC unit running downstairs, also a refrigerator and hot water heater. So I'm going to put that under load. And you can see that that's running under load, and that's carrying that.